Older homes in Murray are full of charm and character, but they also come with their fair share of maintenance challenges. One of the most often overlooked, but crucial, components of these homes is the exterior and interior doors. While they may seem like simple structural features, doors play a critical role in energy efficiency, home security, aesthetics, and overall comfort. Timely door replacement can breathe new life into a historic property and provide benefits that far outweigh the cost of delay. Energy efficiency improvements. Older doors are often made of wood or other outdated materials that, over time, warp, crack, or become drafty. These imperfections allow outside air to seep in and your conditioned air to escape, driving up your utility bills. With Murray experiencing all four seasons, hot summers and freezing winters, this inefficiency can be especially costly. New, energy-efficient doors come equipped with insulated cores, advanced weather stripping, and tight-fitting seals that reduce heat loss and minimize drafts. Many even carry ENERGY STAR ratings, ensuring measurable efficiency gains. Replacing old doors with new, well-insulated options can significantly reduce monthly heating and cooling expenses while making your home more comfortable year-round. Enhanced security for peace of mind. Security is a top priority for any homeowner, and older doors can present serious vulnerabilities. Over time, door frames weaken, locks become outdated, and materials deteriorate, especially if the door is exposed to the elements. Modern doors are built with reinforced materials like steel, fiberglass, and multi-point locking systems that provide better protection against break-ins. Installing a new door is a straightforward way to give you and your family peace of mind, especially in older homes where the original structure may no longer meet today's security standards. Improved curb appeal and property value. The door is one of the first things people notice about a home. If yours is scratched, faded, or outdated, it can drag down the entire appearance of your property. Conversely, a stylish, modern entryway adds visual interest and sets the tone for the rest of the home. For homeowners in Murray planning to sell, door replacement is a high ROI improvement. According to real estate experts, upgrading to a new front door can yield a return of 70% to 80% of the investment. It's a cost-effective way to boost both your curb appeal and your home's marketability. Better functionality and comfort. Beyond appearance and energy use, new doors simply function better. If you're constantly struggling with a door that sticks, creaks, or doesn't close properly, you're dealing with daily frustration that is easily fixable. Older homes often settle, which can throw doors out of alignment or cause gaps that allow wind and noise inside. Today's doors are designed with performance in mind. They glide open and shut smoothly, close securely, and offer soundproofing that blocks out street noise, a great benefit if you live in a busy area of Murray. Tailored to fit your style. Modern replacement doors come in a wide variety of styles, materials, colors, and finishes. Whether you're trying to preserve the classic charm of a craftsman-style bungalow or add a sleek, contemporary touch, there are plenty of options to suit your design preferences. You can also choose doors with decorative glass panels, side lights, or custom finishes to personalize your home while maintaining its original character. Final thoughts. notes: if you live in an older home in Murray, don't underestimate the impact that old, worn-out doors can have on your home's performance, security, and appearance. A timely door replacement not only solves functional issues but also brings long-term value and comfort. Investing in professional door replacement is a smart decision that will pay dividends in reduced energy costs, increased safety, better aesthetics, and a more enjoyable living experience. Ready to make the switch? Consult a trusted local contractor in Murray to explore the best door options for your home today.